malanga gbara Tamale ora tuma 500 cedis l'arma ne cheshab dul man ka tuma half
akola banira dunya ngo akola banga ba te guruma amaka yo banyara la ya yelo.
Okay, to check out your poverty banam na za duma ngunam duka gasi muntin mina za sanya vulkaton pata dan fedi ko pun kata kana ta jinji hokune iti za fandin benzanti sambana nan kedi jimo kati pi bol inside Tamale GAIDA-COM TV zo wilum boni abun was titmiyanan la zo sun kanan katare zo Tamala one beautiful girl to do mo pune netizan zo zan wuya katwasi yeto abiala zang pat pala zo yeto apolo because recently branding la competition share ankara kardana la competition ma ndanye face of road safety Africa GH maybe the pala zo yeto another competition kabrana katalala pasara brevial ma Tamale mo ko yina kara ko poma mbela la competition wa pune ko be de nan la hali unfortunately ka sotizan vote dio do me ngunen da don buyizo o me buyizo don bo ma un pamanda chiko dile de we ti da tap son ne vote ngunda enye first person la competition ma pune and desire you onda ko ba don second ma de we hane pamanda be osane rezo kate gahnu bolo yo kana ti dumo pune anti yet competition ma den da changsham ne nianen da anye sham kabanan la competition ma o ya ne if time mo kabanan le mo pare de jibuni banan la competition ma ama first time bala ka northern abere pune so I will kakpa mambre ku ora no ma nunda koma halitutu duan buizo ma o yumboni Zeblim Salma kapambuno salamatu Dagbani bole oma so Salma nyala ngumbe tidumo puni cheka no malhabi mpiano Salma amarabi
ngomna
okay
ben kam nagwa
this are bien
okay
mandele bona kuna
olawo ton kumna
okay that's beautiful so check out the page ma puni so ni be samba na kabo no ban munye Salma wala ka here ulenye Salma
okay I will mbonde ziblim salamatu katale kapam some people call me Salma ashami bonima katale salamatu ba katale ma una didi beche so ka English students of All Stars Media College, Accra, Caribbean Journalism School, but undergraduate year that was last month. Can you Tamale on year?
Can you Tamale on year? That's beautiful. Okay, competition share under Changma, didn't you face of road safety African GH? How was the journey and actually pune bulira motivator ye kara nyale kawula kardana nkate bir pune
okay be shaden da motivate maka nche de nyala nera be JHS that was from one balama Canville Praise be the friends so Daniela Sarati
okay
because the master son da balo motocar na school kaba cross ba kabulu so Niman maka guy ma ora play helmets master ma ko ndapple so helmets ma mean that save the master ma but guy ma wonzo da ko tala ni ma yeah so ka baso chan hospital unfortunately ko TP so from then like can feel no like Tamale we need to like the tune to about the Palama's royal border yes and ngazanya la victim because ngbanara any little motor and me ngbaza yes the ora bala keles yes so ni Accra
be nyin kabra chemba keles
no aka kabzinda di nyawo because inya primo 6 ma kabzinda nyama he so ni Accra ka inye ndanyala de bane advert MS24 TV the main bright TV kan danya so kan ninyale kan no I have to
The two are involved.
Yes, can you do any chance? So check on your number and call the bacon chance station mama and send some inquiries about it. So can that channel MS24 TV man? And then inquiries ka bwaba data so ka yema. Okay, then it's a good thing. I have to join it and feel like in check la beauty pageantry. Yeah, so I wanted to try my confidence level too.
Okay.
Yeah, so then that is join them.
So under join is it that lot of you have be
no
free in that.
No. And that which I'm today for ma ka feel for ma and ka some questions and I was good to go. Audition man da kunya. Yes.
So how was the journey? And actually pune pompo apa changa until day form ka feel ka competition ma start. Then that pile wula ka rapa feel ra. Asura ta ne there between in competition mon be dra na encourage more. No, aba you team na be pune ma.
First day ma una come on, you team day for that my first day, ma yes, because the first day, the first week Daniel debates.
Okay.
Mami, I'm not good in debates. So me that well prega to me into teams.
Yes.
Yeah. So can team members ma bishop da kanala de ma. So the near I kundacha. And the me that answer from because I'm not good in debating. Kabisha she can go part debate ma so.
Okay.
Yes. So tera ko start la debate ma. Katung me di young mama. Ka stop him blaming and the feel actually. So I was crying or doing that call me and we're live, yes, that call me because like drangman la kama nzila vibe like yelma I was ashamed of myself, yeah, so I was crying. So after everything kajajes mabuku motivates ma I can do better, so I should just carry it on.
Wow.
Yeah, so tenda kuna kan yime no yebono yonkoto yeah, because you ain't debating in your I can't. So the second target the per debate and second target I did it very well and they were even surprised, all of them were surprised
because bravo you maybe Anto Pang
yes. So I was very surprised. So second target ma then daddy Mora na can daddy and mama no I can go, let me just continue.
Okay. So then da nan ka actually competition ma pune you being the only northerner wunna man pun chang de pune be wunda be de pune like wula ka da feel na tap ma more especially then da nya Accra ka da.
Yes. Sometimes them to pass actually can feel lonely. Yes. But guys so bara bedo pune because the power mean da bandang it. Yes, guys so bara bedo ne hunda yim na savannah region ko da you know. Yes, so mommy it is an ordinance. So dracha maka ndi be feely ndi be non the lonely. Yes.
Okay, so hunda sometimes it na ka feel the
and trala mali one Muslim lady baza. So Banma Zasa Dacham can feel her okay. Babun to car around feel her la lonely. Yes.
Ula bra camping I mean one place.
Yeah, there are part. Yeah, competition. Ma there are part time check up camp, but in that starts on a brand of camp. Okay. So as time goes on, ma bra camp. Yeah. So
the when maybe in nearby in Daniel Muslim the Pune. So Iranian maybe gambo itamas and because in a Muslim.
No. La benden da can. But I respect it to religion, ma. Yes, because it's a pageant all the time. Katim for him. Benden nang da comes as I didn't like la kabna boka but nang da. Be stop him. Katapur na katzalan nang tenda nang da bisha.
So kama chekam boha competition la bivia and la amma and then karinya jejin ma be banda kuli ambiandi kubara rimbe kaula dabu bara bere puni brana ya kwarsi zangpa maybe yemen ba biagu kaso approacha cheka mina maybe ban shachete suna the end of the day kan to so aka di competition ma la arabian
Manda experience la una. But I don't know about others ma. But me so that men but that even non close. Yeah, tunkunye taba high design da balam. Men but that even non close. But ma una ndazan la ring shen no nyune. She mommy so come the new year oh this girl she's married her. So that me guys my brother be approach her mama yes.
Ndazan into man ma. Is it Arab mala intention share Zangpa maybe sort of approach because of like a damper into to prevent yourself.
Yeah, I know most competition. Lama is number approach your ladies. For them to take advantage of the lady before they will help the person. So let me just do something to prevent myself. Yeah, so then that all can sound
because I'm married, we can't sound into and deceive. So I mean that kaso maybe so could complain kama la be competition man na nyanga ka kama zala maybe woman ya kaza danon ning banana taba then to song ko di on di workshop long
competition man nyanga and that woman ka bring men woman zala means zala that dates about me and that will pay any attention to it because lanyin magora somebody so that I will for man so I just take it to be normal maybe bravo rataka dates or more.
Okay, yes. So and that channel ma mi aranye so ka gwa kure kuchu ni ka arba sase ne I mean
no
no so again
yeah man can hear mo they like there can
so it's competition map unza mine even dabanda lam
yes like they are small guys, understand it?
What are small guys?
Ni come like no. Didn't you mean bandan in the competition man? That kind of baby in the nyaba. Understand?
Baby, do you mean they were below your belt, your standard? Like
no, why should I date such people? Understand it? Like
were you looking down upon them?
I wasn't looking down upon them. Understand it? Like they were handsome, they were cute. Understand it? But they were not my spec.
Okay.
Yes.
So you feel like maybe you were in the same competition with them.
With them. So why should I date them?
That you shouldn't date them. But I can't so and you admire the person, something like that.
And for me, it's difficult for me to see someone and admire the person. Yes, that's my nature.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Diku pala anirma approach. Okay, that's fine. So check out to Vocom ka lavna. So I could be little come ka yuna GAIDA-COM TV zone and born inside Tamale. Can come there Jandi kama into channel to subscribe to YouTube channel. TB on Facebook, you can follow us there. Kabi on TikTok. There's us Akucham and to Inyetini Mane. Niro Pamzo yaka book commented to be on Buhara never be born to full content my will. So I don't make to full content now. You will just go on YouTube and type GAIDA-COM group annually. I could pill this up, but mama IPM so Antonio to ben shark Campton Bahra ka dole to unity programs. So the chunk can touch out of Vocom Kalamna. Okay, so I be lol kam GAIDA-COM TV zone about to Vocom Makalabna. Be pur salama tunanyala ngumbe dumo pune. Ne it's difficult when you so admire, so it's unfortunate. Maybe competition happen so rana to kuburu kagwas and hagul maybe Salma show you some interest kabia wupe soon kalata but no. So after competition man now Salma so bandaber purmaza dipa nanka so approach because of in lanka competition ma purmaza
no. Go side.
Where so?
Come on for here, ma. Bapan spec.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, where on your come on? Where on your spec? Aspect. Can you describe your spec to me? The type of man that you want.
I can't describe the type of man I want, but looking at them, Bapan no vardap shawa.
So Toku could describe what type of guy shawa so that will be somebody. Come my interest. Me mama na kaida. So to approach her.
I can describe it.
So muku ani ara.
And sonda
okay, that's fine. Okay, so pumpo competition man and you are the second person. Like amal any project in plant maybe after competition man and nama amal niana azang and nyam fan shele be hanka shelanda nye de pune na zan kwate solo kar song ni salim bangba ku be biaguna
many nangle because I'm planning on now road safety workshop share can one now Tamale yes so the phone can na ku be na prepare yes so na sabla some proposal and see for sponsorship for them to sponsor the program for me yes
okay that's beautiful so la competition shanda chankara na mama dranang tough
Kabzela.
What was the challenges? Boni bokara nye repune ka yul kamada nahma.
Commander fin yel face ma. Face day ma. Dranang tough pam tama debate na debate ma deshe ma yes. Kalan le voting aspect ma baza. The bazaar, it wasn't an easy thing for me. Yes, because the votes wasn't encouraging at all. So then the mazas are like there are killer land spirits. Yes. So even 3 days before the finals, la man by Mr. Lukman take like I'm moving in Porsche. And I could on Facebook ka guys so obela twalong radio kobe.
Radio twalong
yes. Maker so when that post la man ma bane so ka sabu kan so caption ma kan dai me no this man if I call him on to help yeah so kan dai o number ma from Facebook man no ka call so no call ka introduce man to ka yulo ni so so ko ba man okay baka mbora so kan yulo competition on can be ka need the support because votes is not encouraging and on communion no than a better phone so kan ku nkanga manku yeleve yanko ma okay ne la de mo en chanla o en yila o en chanla Saudi la de ma but on send ma lare kan na zan vote final day ma on be Ghana ya me okay so la de ma no that send mam 1,000 cedis kan pushes and on the phone and after that so blan vote so I was worried uncle try on the lambe in Garga and I was spending money up and down kana Tamale Kalabra because that track pala team shele and anto kusha captain no nun come na change to chance ala ya kaza sana and I waste my money my time and come to Tamale they been working
so apart from Mr. Lukman so that tap song ya
apart from Mr. Lukman Malanga yes Malanga barat malare barat ma 500 cedis ka but larma ni to man ka but half of their money yes I don't want to mention names but laden ma won like that chema pam yes
because me on the banu ka 250
ka 250 yes
when Kabwaza Hana to song, among all, it's not anything difficult. You can just mention names. Manga Nanda Zan Lorma and Tenebuzan two man, the Dab Pagozaha, and the 250 in that part. I mean, he live in Dagbani.
He live in Dagbani. And like you rather to hear, but if I want, I should tell Malanga that on the Malarma, the Pama. Yes, la hoda yer me okay fine. Maybe la.
So how did you know that 500 cities come Malanga doesn't? Malanga mama here.
Ma la nyen man doesn't match Malanga sani. Only that introduce mati Malanga.
Okay.
Aha, so ka Malanga ni o come na today lare. Nza push my vote. So on that is a date share mala date mama that be Accra for competition ma. O da be changla ade ma. So kam Malanga no tell call ayi ani ka today lare. Ka ula ka ba kana ko eno one time because it's not that important to him ko eno time so it's Hasangbaza he has also done a great job in my journey.
Because I promoted
yes kakutente maniero contact people that I will call to help that will help me so when that Malanga number can call Malanga ko man anu oda in skat del anu la katabakan me manka Tamale ambe Accra but next week na kana Tamale so nara kana kan chungo san mane and he didn't want to give the money to me karang malo yila lanya yes so ka text lanya no send mobile money number 2 ko send alarma te me da je me bien send alarma mobile money ka bien send no so ko de la ma disane zo mama ndare mobile money number 2 ko send le 2 so I was expecting the person to call me that day obo call ma man say text okay oye WhatsApp ye Malanga obo Malanga da when o ne Malanga send la 3 days ago na but no one time ka ba yema
ba Malanga gbaza ha ora ma because pressure man bien shama bet sa hambala ma Akuto I am song so you should just help the person. But I you na try you mbongo nyang be mbongo ka send result dem ba ka lagarma 250 rat patma. Maka vien ya ngamba. So okay. Anyway, so yon bankulu da ku song so ma arabe yema.
Ma that last time anda with me.
So because in that time in yema I twa. I'm sure maybe Arabi you was a build amulets.
Nda di because when that on the sham I feel like nuku yellow so be ngadi ma. Tebe mili so but their own votes land out kun yellow.
Oh, okay, no problem. Next time. So competition mama amani maybe I can shall maybe then galabi alang shall damla amani a participate.
Mania ne ncha because nada later nda bona ncha either Miss Malaika kan da bora be bane Ghana most beautiful so kalere no ye the two try something zabe ma shellenya whether in confidence level ma wula nyala ha so then that can enjoy na ladun but mania inshallah because in later maybe next year no join because they signed a 1 year contract with them so I could do chance to join any competition and abora sheka contracts ma the end.
Okay. Yes. Okay, so beautiful, meaning that maybe next year I think Tonya Ghana most beautiful
inshallah be Miss Malaika.
Okay, so you can come, I will definitely help. Okay, that's fine. So Pumpon Chekati
but Miss Republic baza biane.
Okay, yes. Okay.
Miss Republic 3 months soon the shell.
No, Ghana most beautiful. The Yakate Northern Dile. So the me artisan to Korea in the Pune Shela to Dile. So I think to Tamale support it. So Banda support my Pune. So I could not of course because passer with your load. Take go. Be Malanganda saying 500 or aviation.
No, Mr. I would do my course.
Okay, that's fine. Don't want to pass over ma. Then pan can so that could pan na desh long pan competition ma dey can could zoom pono lines on could stable a high go to you raka Canada. So na ku kana ka bua ma so voice ma wula karpachina me o yun ku bella down and nobody dem zema pam la kan da ku yure she kan ku zilin ida kan zilbe kan ye first runner up la kan da yelo so kai man okay ni le erma pumpon winner e kama on leader votes ma how many votes go leader me o like o leader ma like 3,000 votes go karma. Wow.
Yes so kai man okay this anima no ko tuma 3,000 ma
wow
kati to push is an votes ma pune so I thought girl ma belen vote ya ha kama unpa ku yi inza aka ce vote ma because tunda pushing na shabazara lan vote me kan fada gbaza saying ma 1,500 kan san nan so last time I was leading and my family in Accra they were also voting so kada shaka lead kan pa ku relax here so that ku chala like 1 minute ne vote in my end kan cousin sister change to check ka boy manati ya mane ne girl ma pa lead ma vote kan boy ala ko ma 1,500 votes ko pa leader so I was trying to call them man again but all I da blank yes
Miss Aula and
Mr.
Lukman so Mr. Lukman tempo ka papa nanda tap song to zo pama shamku otuni first runner up ma akwang ma tinentra ya no kamza hada tap song so chekate yuli ibn ma de dumutam para zoye toi we are kind yet biara zangpa maybe to Tamale because I'm sure moto mbaba yirang ne jimoto mbaba manjulu ndo zaha de be yon katemir accident nampam
ya mali kama Tamale tenang la keles di kana tapala ma zoye toi one to obey traffic lights yes
the waste that time
they me so yes because only when non traffic lights ma says shepulo ma only these are not la busy places kapala ma to walegon so ajumi na chance straight ka so gbe melegon traffic man kan mean cheta
to yom me bulun kar waste time
de na tenon zo ka ban nan le nan ma kana moto bar man ko be helmets nan pelego
to la den ma wa to za
beje le pelego ha bon so mbo be to mbo peleka police na man taba zale na be ka be ne bu bon na be nye be la be no tenon mama zo ka ban nan de ma
no ba police ma gbaza shamala proven because I thought so say no pay helmet ka motor park ze kan benye helmet agbasane be maybe ka abona abiama bia man ko sai de kutu na chaka lo ma diru
aminye ka police ba moto ka ba play helmet la
now so
something you
I can't pro cross but I have the video.
I made the video.
Yes.
Can you share the video with me after this program?
Yes, I can share with you.
Okay.
I have the video.
Okay.
Ka polango ku ba moto ka number plate ka ton pro cross ka ton be play helmet.
Okay.
Yes.
So if this I want any leadership by example.
No, maybe.
So
yes, for sure.
So ti enjoy leadership by example. Mat ongo the life the module lao nyafle gang ma ko nyele. Aha, so tene mean future leaders ma. So assuming ka young people ma to ko enchirb za akam karanya road accidents ma yon cause ya are zero chairma
problem.
Aha, so at least through leadership by example. Understandable. That's their job. So be yela helmets was riding their motorbike. The two na nangle. Obey traffic lights. The two na nangle. Understand? And then speed limit ma gwaza. Kamata metum punetem bechema. Ma enjiloro zobo moto kam midjela bjela. And I can't ride moto in this road.
Okay.
Yes, because unso aradabjam. Aha, so till speed limit ma be ma be na ambe town the tune dinye 30 polo. But ambe maybe shepolo nyirbe kani kama kumasi road ngoma nyima na kan to you see 60 or 90.
Okay.
Yes, understand. The tuna achana because the road is
free.
Yes. Ka dimi mala shepula empagi kala reduce limit my understand. But palongo zo de so bien na jinya but some people use more than the 30. And speed over speeding. I mean, in speed lama ka bashayna you can control yourself. Yes. Definitely. Share chance crashing. Kabato male crash innocent people. So like tamay the tunity the bwam the politician me but the power so the two like the government show force but force ma understand it
enforce them law.
Yes. And being a so bar moto cover play him and they should just take the motorbike from the person. You understand? They should take like I wish
but to come here and park.
Yeah, you see like that was the reason I wanted to be the ambassador for road safety.
Okay.
Yes, because if that's the ambassador of road safety like Tamale like Tamale very well.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have to learn.
Okay.
Because he lay like from accident recording, but accident recording. Then like leader aside Accra Kumasi when I tell me road man is very like busy.
Okay.
Yeah, so definitely some small accidents the tone then but Tamale to road man just compare our road and
yes.
So at least we have to learn and like obey the rules and regulations.
Okay.
Because he can Eastern region like Ashanti region like this, Tamala 626 accidents like Donkuno. Just from January to December 2024 mambala. Last year mambala.
Last year January.
From January
to December.
To December.
Ala
626 accidents.
Wow.
Like bunku record the kind number of people that died.
You know now.
Yes, so kana Eastern region kama 486. Greater Accra region 381. Kana Northern region Katmi Mali 204. So assuming last OT region namala 19%. So to bazana ku number at least ka 19 ma but 10% minute to install accidents. Understand ya?
Because it's a natural phenomenon.
It's a natural thing, but we have to obey it. And alan kana bane road safety bane from January to December. Female accidents like about Bankosi accidents in general the whole Ghana. The nyala 491. Kadiri see 20%.
Okay.
And male is I don't even want to mention it. 10,997. Can you see 80%? Kana children to beden ma men and beden ma below 18 years. But mala like accidents 2,181. 87% in Balama. Below 13 years in Balazanchang Benena. Kabamale 13% in Balama. So if we should obey Benyare, ata inila rank in the madden to in Chandla. Last year, Balama.
So ayu kama behmodin mo de pam zoya
manama lamba sana show.
Yes, but mala negligence because anto kulu bar motonante across bi palezo kadin bima de na basane o konko duna pale kana dipa kwa mano ko o pale na damano ko pale ka bima ka che bima bala be karlanzu ai kule kama 2 and 3 pour akwanye be ka ba close from schools and you see them on the roadside ka be ma chana bo konko min de taptama so lambu tunu bazan samzan no be ma ni he
so anye wona ti issue ni nyesham on phone de mala shukuru understand ya bu can feel like on phone shukuru matan kwan shukuru ne so chanzan bi chan like maybe gumani shukuru be saka shukuru ka close mpa anka sa hanin chan to kwa zima konko yembe palezo anya de nkosla be shali to kunam zima o konko mbe palezo no bo lore on kuna halene tama islamic polo ka shukute be nyimane because can fit me shukute and tamal shukuru mangala area man but we feel that maybe
donc anko be nyimane ma you don't value it.
Yes. So didn't mazasa didn't be ma as then saratina ma me I put all the blame on the parents.
No, but the lambo
ma banu kunyele. I put all the blame on them because I found mala shukuru ka che shukuru ma ka zo chan different phone ka sana chan to
an yerma de ti mame the brother so nda to complain le te fang man shisha o ka azan abin chan yang pala UDS be use bebe shukuru ni man ka azan abi chan ni man ka sa hadin chan to problema bien nege de ton pa intela bema luru fe ne bu chan ben dumna pala ma zo on to sur lift and mama la ben sha you see ben sha nin san le kuto fili pititi de butune a force ama because ben yar sha ben ya stupidity kunyale iche bema ka obe pala zo on sur lift min de tama it's not fine.
It's not.
Kama ai ka yukoni azambi ma ta loksheplo ka chente poro dezo o chani mane shukuru ka wo manyelo is about how you monitor your word then yen cheka bima azan sembe shukuru pune so hala ko za bi pia expensive school ka wula ka azan sen ka bima ne well on to bara
o en bala
yes shera azan some proper monitoring zan bima ne ka mama mini te bon bo na te chan shukuru te nkare na fa te ka na fa na te bugba but do you know shukuru mo ma yuzo ka za abi chant is unfortunate. Okay, so Sama afana west
Manukwe Yesham. And final ways it goes to Tamale people.
Okay.
Yes. They should try their possible best to obey the traffic lights. Can't go by rules and regulation regarding the rules.
Okay.
Understandable. Okay. So the two need to do they feel like some people, I don't know how they feel. Bumba play helmets. Like I'm a bumble relation. I don't know, but the two need to play helmets.
Helmets, man. Di bumna. Natiento. But manager.
They be safe.
Manager won't play helmets.
So
and helmets, man. The man drama boble.
The cup boble. Mine is a plan paga pabu shake. Kaplegele. So I'm a pulley helmets ma. Come on, no fancy example. The bush had to motivate my friend, my mentor master. Oh, but you da play helmets ma. At that time, not done la. Because master ma with helmets ma. The da could charge. So assuming all da play helmets ma. We'll end in pago baza. So we have to obey it. Yes.
So in the finally in the competition ma vocabulary thing ya be plaques konkonda kunye.
Bratila winner ma 10,000.
Wow.
Yes. Kati first runner up 5,000. Yes.
So I don't know I've been bearing.
Then I've seen ma then the mashaka is a pageant workshop ma yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yes. Kati second runner up ma kabuto me 3,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
The my difference is that between Dratu and 8,000.
I don't know why Kabrana mommy Winama, she has so many projects that she wants to do. Like she's going to do, she's going to embark. So at least it's in the all armag barasimbela.
Okay, that's beautiful. So your final words. Akasonu sona apo he. Misa look man.
They never say we. da wannan tente ne ko impression yala first ezala power dan kan mazanti na titan nama kakana and so pray and lamb baza because they also tried their best for me ka pray Mr. Lukman take may God bless you and continue to bless you like empimini portion ka pray is Hassan ka pray Malanga and the rest and my best friend too Fati but odawe yina to song Fati dawe yina so after this program I will be there.
No, she's solo. Maybe next time Auntie Chang a big one ma will be able to help you.
Yeah, sure. Because that be
okay, that's fine.
So no ko push up zasa balama.
So I've been put director.
Director and Tamale. Ka put director gwaza ka put ni mama ka put manager gwaza. Kala mpu Fati da ogilegyo am put gwaza.
On stop kuma azo ka bo ogilja.
My black beauty balama.
So that's fine. Min Salama to Zangima
Salma, point of correction.
My initial bonus.
TTGS or my Salma be Katale.
Okay, so Min Salma and Zangima Zantina, winning Danye, second runner up, face of road safety, Africa Beach. La competition man dan winning Danye, second runner up. First runner up. La competition man ko pil na de jibuni nda balama mummin la nye first nodna mun yite Tamale mo chante pala la competition ma ne 14 di workshop lo nda dima so kate matama next year inshallah tinye utatapte bangba ko yina temo ka to chante intela la competition ma pune ngoma ka tenem bora kasli ben yare ka biani ka bamoto per week ngene yon biam ne daba katihna kama life mba doko sante recently nye girls so but I'm very disappointed because in me be my pam I'm very disappointed now also ditian line kama Tamale power in bukata ne panye shenye itapke yon kwa harter daba so where are we heading to tramim karanya Naija polo behinda biyon nandale ke gwatizan Dagbani gwati chere puni so surapu ya personally and I saw it la banku zana palamazo manazo Dagbani be puni yes boku ne Dagbani le perfect pe o mdelen wo deninyo ko bezana nkwarabama de be vela na onu matete so ne zanchongo kapo Simon onye sa to piana jimo pune jimo katipia bole inside Tamale GAIDA-COM TV so yulumbo na abunwa ne zampuru sonti manager Samed GAIDA-COM CEO mbalama unana nyete production manager yes entable ner kamun table son te jimo karakana kande yale ma chemete subscribe to YouTube channel ma ka follow it on Facebook and TikTok all the social media platforms Sinyala Bambi Nimani my mama to follow him on TikTok Abu Farid ka follow him on Facebook Abu Muaz my YouTube channel our YouTube channel the na active donc bien mbalama so tibi rekare viala na zanti via pa zo da tila ni program shiritin la char pa na assalamu alaikum
abanga batu yulu yanya yellow